pretty cool. I'm just kind of washing off that fine concrete. Alright, so here's a quick shot of the materials. We're going to be sifting out our rocks with that. These are the rocks. And then I got all these glass beads that we might be sprinkling a little of those on there too for a little bling bling. Right, Gavin? Are you excited? He's excited. Alright, so we're using this big mixing tub. I have to breathe that in, Gavin. I don't want to just... So you don't want to... I don't like putting in with just the hose because it'll... This should get us close. I'd rather it be a little thicker than thinner. What you'll find is you'll be mixing and all of a sudden it'll be ready. And then it'll be too watery. Alright, so we got a little extra concrete here, so I thought we would make a little flower pot while we're at it. So we just made some little stepping stones. If you want to check out that video, there'll be a link in the description. Yeah. Along with the other videos, the conduit railings on the deck and the raised gardens and the pine wood countertops. Check out those videos, give them a like, give them a thumb up. So I'm just going to use this pot here. And we're just going to put concrete inside here and make ourselves a little concrete pot, and then hopefully it'll pop right out of here. I'm going to spray this with some WD-40. A little mold release. Just got that in my drink too. That's good for you. I don't know why. I'm just going to start shoving this in there. That's about 1 inch thick on the bottom there. I'm just going to set this guy in here. Whoops. And I'm just going to put concrete around it. I'm just going to put some weight in there. So, yep, so it doesn't collapse. Good. Let's spray some more of this WD-40 around here. Alright, and then I'm just going to start dribbling this down in there. This was the leftover concrete from some stepping stones we just made. Alright, so the other project we were doing, we were putting these glass beads in. So I think we'll just do the same thing here. I'm gonna just bury these right down in there. Alright, so we'll let that dry for a little while and then we'll come back and that's it. We'll let that dry, we'll come back, we'll hose that out, and it'll expose the aggregate. It has been, it's almost 7 o'clock. I think we did this around noon maybe? So it's been a good 6, 7, 8 hours. It's actually still pretty darn soft on top. I'm gonna see if I can pop this centerpiece out. Oh yeah. Boosh. I think I'm going to try to flip this thing over. Oh yeah. And while it's still kind of soft, because I want to kind of clean this up, so let's see what happens. Oosh. Alright, a little rocky there on the bottom. I guess that's to be expected. Yeah, I don't want this to break. Oh, that's pretty hard. Okay. Should be wearing gloves. Well, I don't even know if I even want to hit it with any water. Just ever so slightly. That looks pretty cool. I'm just kind of washing off that fine concrete. Oh no. Alright, so I think I'm going to set this on the ground so that I can poke this hole through. I'm just going to poke a hole through the bottom. Okay. Alright, got a hole in the bottom for drainage. Okay. Okay, so I had put rocks in the bottom of that pot for some reason. I don't know why. That didn't work out that great. Don't do that. So just pour the concrete in there, get about 1 inch thick. So when we had some more concrete, when we were doing our little walkway, I added some more to the bottom to kind of fix that bottom. So there it is. So today I'm just gonna throw this guy in there and finish up this project. I just have some rocks and I'm gonna throw in the bottom to kind of act as like a little drainage. And then maybe a little dirt. Pop this sucker out. This is one of my favorite plants. It's a Persian shield. It's so pretty. Break these roots up a little bit. Get that sucker down in there. Yeah. Get another handful of these rocks on top. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'll water that in real good. And I'll be done. Super happy with this project. This was just a kind of a last minute. Oh God, that's heavy. It was just kind of a last minute thing. We had some leftover concrete from the stepping stones we made, and I think it turned out pretty good. Probably less than $1 in concrete for sure, and 50 cents worth of the glass beads. And these are called drops. They're the kind of round shaped ones. They're about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch in diameter, and I think it looks pretty sweet. So I'm probably gonna make a bunch more. So if you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm hoping that maybe someday YouTube will be maybe even a part-time income. That'd be pretty awesome, because I do a lot of creative things and a lot of different things, and so follow along and maybe you'll be inspired to do some projects of your own. So guys, thanks, peace out, see you at the next one. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a